Hey guys, I've got another update here for my big 500 by 700 Chinese laser cutter. This is my second update video because I've got a couple small things that I've done to tweak and improve the user experience on mine that you might find helpful. So let me dive right in here. So the first thing I wanted to show you was this light bar here. It's a 24-inch LED light bar designed for like under cabinet use. It's got a nice aluminum extrusion profile. I just basically use packaging tape to attach magnets to the back of it so that I can kind of remove it if ever necessary. And then it just has a little DC jack going in the side here, which got routed down and out the back to a power supply that it came with, just plugged right into the back, because I trust those outlets for low power applications. So it's nice to have them on the back there, and that just gives off a lot cleaner, more well distributed light, much more usable work light than the one that's installed, which you may notice the one that's installed in the back here looks a little more yellow than it probably does on yours, and it did on mine because I installed a filter, just like some orange tape over the top of it to kind of clean it up a little bit, because I wanted to keep it. It is kind of nice to have some light coming from that angle, but just the blue that it originally was is a bit too irritating and kind of hard on the eyes. So that's the first thing I did. The second thing I did here is a little bit more permanently install this camera module. It is, I believe, it was an 8.1 megapixel, just USB, generic USB camera, like machine vision camera off of AliExpress. Pretty much any of those will do if you're using it for use with Lightroom, which you can see I've got it pulled up here. It gives you this real distorted view of the entire workspace, and that was kind of the trick, was figuring out where to put it, where you're going to best utilize the field of view and catch most of the bed without, you know, it being in a weird location, etc., or whatever. So where it is right there is a good spot, and yeah, that comes in handy when you're placing materials or you're trying to kind of judge and gauge whether or not what you're cutting is going to fit on the material you're using. Because it's attached to the door or the hood, it's, you know, you can't expect that every time you open this hood it's always going to land with, you know, millimeter precision in the exact same spot. Like, it's pretty dang close. You know, of course, it depends on where those struts fully extend to, but I have found that it's been repeatable enough that I can use it for kind of basic things. I obviously am not looking to do overlays and things like that with just the camera. So the camera's a nice touch. So that goes USB over into the body of the laser here, but you'll notice that I only have one USB cable going into the laptop. So that's at least two USB devices, but there's actually a third here. This is the main reason why I wanted to make this video, is to show this platform. So this is just the door as it normally is, and what I did is I just drilled two holes to attach this chain and create a surface here, so that instead of now having my arms up here operating the touchpad and the mouse, I can use the computer from a much more comfortable way with one arm down here with a little wireless mouse that just automatically connects now, because it's the three USB devices going into a hub, which you can't see, but I just kind of double-sided adhesived it to the back wall there. I've got the three USB cables going into it. It comes out here as a USB-A, A male, and I had to get this adapter here, which is USB-A female to USB-B female, because this USB-B female used to be going directly from the DSP out to our port here. So you have to adapt from that in some fashion, and this is the way I found it was easiest, just to get this little adapter here. I probably won't put links in the description, but these things are easy to find. So that's all it took. So now it's nice clean one USB cable going up to the laptop, and yeah, that's about it. So hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.